How to cook easy steak fried rice. First things first, let's cut our steak into cubes. And then we add 1/4 cup of oyster sauce. And then we add some soy sauce, some cracked pepper, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then we mix it well. And then we marinate for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we heat oil in the pan and then we cook the meat. Once cooked, set aside. Next, in the same pan, we melt 3 tablespoons of butter. And then we add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. And 5 eggs. Next, we add the cooked rice. And then we put some soy sauce again and some liquid seasoning. Now it's time to add back the beef and some sliced green onion. We mix everything well. And we're done. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.